let's get in the third part then. As you know, we are not over here to caricature someone's behavior and qualities, whatever is within that person, or other people. If we come to discern that things and then we come to implement something positive, and then positive, we actually working over our career with that discern mentality. You actually prefer to listen, even a little bit things. So in that case, that kind of mentality is within you that you feel like you have to invest over something, and you come to get an exact really a true and meaningful things in your life. So that's why that's really matters in life. So that's why I recommend is that every person to stay as that person. So even if you feel like somehow you're not actually able to work about your career, but if you're thinking, if you like to work over your career with your own mentality, perspective, that kind of vibe you wanna create over you and around you, in that case you have to be so hardworking and diligent person. So only in that case you're gonna get something really precious and stunning things in our career, in your life. Otherwise you're gonna fail, man. So that's why I recommend each and every person to stay as a really moral and ethical and spiritual person. Somehow you come to ruminate. Ruminating over something is really stunning and essential over time. So that's why if something is really axiomatic things, you have to care about all these things in your life. So if something is really epistemic things, or that is you feel like somewhat you feel like it's really axiomatic, then you have to get that things in your life. Even it is really awful, terrible, with that kind of things just ahead of you and behind you. Even in that case, you have to care about all these things. Because you know the worth. You feel like what you have to work under imperialistic things. So if you are over here only to solve rank, to weaken someone, to weaken someone's mentality, their qualities, their abilities, that's you're not a good person. We have to assume as you that you are not a good person, so what really ethical, and you are not actually working under special and that kind of vibe. So that's why you are not a good, you can't be a good man. So that kind of person and persons we have to worry, man. So that's why we have to if we have knowledge and that kind of perspective and perception toward you, that's always better, man. So you have to think about all these things, you know so if you like to invoke or you even in your own pastime, that kind of events. In that case you have to start your journey again. A lot of people are over here just only to get entertainment. So that's not the true existence of your life, man. You are over here to hard work. Even all these things are just only limited after your saying, your uh, speech. But if you come to implement all these things into real life, then you're gonna be the best person of your entire life, man. So always think about your goodness, betterment. Uh, Even people are not feeling like it's betterment and goodness for you, but it will be, man. Because if you actually working over your career something with your own passion, the passionate behavior is within you, then you're gonna get something really stunning and positive vibe. If you are actually leading with that positive vibe and mentality, so that's why you're gonna get that things in your life. So what we have to distill the meaning really profitable and advantages in our life. So if you don't feel like you can get and we are really we can't be that anodine person. We are just over here to become that offensive person. So in that case, but this is not it seems like you don't have that kind of symptoms, that you can become that auspicious person in life. And if you're not actually working over your career with that kind of mentality, positive vibe is not within you, then how can you get that what that kind of mentalities or something like that with your own mentality or something like that? You can't able to get that things in your life. So that's why I recommend you with you have to work with full consciousness and positiveness. So if you believe in yourself that you can get something really better and really what even a lot of things are really discussing over here. But if you actually over here to work over your career with full consciousness and persistence, because you believe in all these things, then you're gonna get, because you are over here to get that things. If you not the investment of time over your core career is zero at this present and this precious time is zero. In that case you're gonna fail in life. So you have to if you just listening, you're not putting that this really true meaning into your mentality, in that case you're gonna fail, man. So I am over here, what, to stay as a cabinet person. You mustn't have to care about the people. You only have to care about your parents. They are the true existence of your life. So that's why you have to care about, and you always have to respect them with your full hearts, not just as physical. By giving them physical, what, that kinds of instruments, and to fulfill their what, their happiness or something like that. That kind of. So simply, if you are actually giving only money to them, from morning, so that is not, that physical things is not enough. You have to emotionally support them and love them with a full hearts. In that case, this is the really true meaning of your life. And never ever stay behind working, instead of except working over something, because you are not over here to give up. So if you are feeling like it is better to give up, not to work about career, we can also get something really special or really particular things, even not working about career, and that's, you're actually living in myth. So that's why you mustn't have to be that really efficient person. If you are an efficient person, then you just come to what, express your views and opinion easily heard about the people. Then you're gonna be that person who come to disrespected and considered as a person who don't have control over over his own what, emotions or something like that. Then they come to consider you as a servant person, who is servant over of his own emotions or something like that. They come to ignore, instead of getting relief from by telling your problem with other people, among the people, you just gonna get stuck even after telling all these things. So instead of telling all these things, just wonder in the nature. So this kinds of, among the nature, you will get that vibe, that actually lead you toward your career, towards something that you feel like you can get something really stunning and better things in your life. So that's why the extreme hard work is within you. It has to be within you. Even if you feel like you can get something really better, and that kind of stunning things and sparkling things isn't within you, but you have to path yourself from not working over our career. So if you are feeling like that, you're not ready to calibrate over something. You feel like you got stuck somewhere, and then you can't agree over time over your career and something like that. You're gonna stuck, man. So that's why I recommend each and every person not to stay as a that what, that kind of person who is not ready to hard work with their career, and then they feel like we only come to we're over here only to stuck, to get stuck. So that's, if you're actually dealing with this kinds of mentalities is something that you're gonna stuck, man. So that's why it is not better. You mustn't have to detain anyone, hold back, or the into life, but you have to hold back your hard work, your passions, that how you used to be in your life. If once you used to be the really hardworking and diligent person and a diplomatic person, then you have to detain that mentality and personality again in your life. If you feel like you have that kind of existence, that level of existence, that level of mentality mindset is fading. That existence is no more over here. Then you have to detain that things. So we mustn't have to leak over something which we don't have any proof or evidence. So it is nearly what, then you can't be a bad person, man. So that's why I recommend each and every person to stay as a really positive person. So I recommend, again, I come to recommend to stay as an assiduous person. If you are not assiduous person, and you are only thinking about to become that avaricious person, then how can you get your dream? How can you chase your dream, man? You can't able to chase your dreams, and then you come to fail in your life. So that's why the only thing I recommend you is an every person to stay as a really hardworking, diligent person. Even you are not able to reduce over something. Even you feel like it's really true. A lot of people are over him, the victims, but you can't able, you don't have that kind of proof and evidence to reduce over something. In that case, even in that case, you mustn't have to worry about that. The karma will give them something really that kind of a cruel, cunning things in return. So you mustn't have to care about all these things. And if you come to able to apprehend the meaning of your life, if you feel like it's really harassing and tedious, it's not. You have to apprehend all these things and understand all these things, right? Even these things are only over here to be while there. You have to repeat your personalities. You have to endorse your self, your career, and you're actually working about all this thing. You somehow you come